All right, first up, big breaking development coming in where the Centre and the Indian Air Force has moved the Delhi High Court against Dharma Productions and Karan Johar's film Gunjan Saxena over the portrayal of the gender bias in the film that has been shown, where the Delhi High Court, we are getting to know, has refused to grant an injunction at this stage and has stated that the petition should have been filed earlier when the movie was released. Going across to Nalini for that live update. Nalini, the portrayal of being said that this is a wrong portrayal, or what exactly happens with the Indian women who are part of the Indian Air Force, and this is not the first time such an accusation that is being made right after the film got released. What is that the Centre and the Indian Air Force have to say on this?
Well, Amita, the petition that has been filed by them through ASG Sanjay Jain essentially says that the film portrays the Indian Air Force in a bad light, which is why it should be pulled down from Netflix and from all other streaming platforms. That's what the central government and the Indian Air Force stated in their petition before the Delhi High Court. But the High Court has said that the petition has been filed a little too late. They should have come a little earlier before the court to get an injunction, because now the movie has been streaming on Netflix for several weeks now. So they've refused to grant an injunction at this particular stage. But this is not the end of the case. They said that Gunjan Saxena, the movie is based on the character. She should be made a party to the case to hear her side to it as to whether or not it was a good portrayal, it was a precise portrayal of what she went through, or whether it was exaggerated in the movie, the way that the Air Force officers behaved with the Air Force pilot Gunjan Saxena. So they've asked her to be made a party to the case. It remains to be seen what happens in the future of the case before the Delhi High Court. But for now, there's not going to be a stay, but the High Court is going to be hearing this matter on merit.
Well, because the Indian Air Force had also written to the Indian Censor Board there, Nalini, as well as Dharma Productions, which produced the film, and Netflix to complain on this movie, Gunjan Saxena, the Kargil girl, and had presented